Question number 1. Which is the animal known as the sheep of the desert? Answer: camel. Question number 2. How many days there are in a week? Answer: 7 days. Question number 3. How many hours are there in a day? Answer: 24 hours. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? Answer: 26 letters. How many consonants are there in the English alphabet? Answer: 21 consonants. Question number 6. How many days are there in a year? Answer: 365 days, not a leap year. Question number 7. Rainbow consists of how many colors? Answer: 7 colors. How many seconds are there in a minute? Answer: 60 seconds. Question number 9. How many seconds make 1 hour? Answer: 3600 seconds. Question number 10. Baby frog known as? Answer: tadpole. Question number 11. How many vowels are there in the English alphabet? Answer: 5. A, E, I, O, U. Question number 12. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Answer: lion. Question number 13. Name the national bird of India. Answer: the peacock. Question number 14. Name the national animal of India. Answer: tiger. Question number 15. Name the national flower of India. Answer: lotus flower. Name the national fruit of India. Answer: mango. Question number 17. What is the national anthem of India? Answer: Jana Gana Mana. What is the national song of India? Answer: Vande Mataram. Who designed the national flag of India? Answer: Pingali Venkaya. Name the national game of India. Answer: hockey. Name the national tree of India. Banyan tree. Name the national river of India. Answer: Ganga. Name the national reptile of India. Answer: king cobra. What is the capital of India? Answer: New Delhi. Name the biggest continent in the world. Answer: Asia. Last question. How many continents are there in the world? Answer: 7 continents.